Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google faces new Android malware threat, Apple plan acquisition of Brighter AI for privacy enhancement, Google Bard possibly rebranded as Google Gemini, rise of AI chatbots and competition in the industry, Google Maps introduces privacy-centric incognito mode, Google removes cached web pages feature, WhatsApp ongoing development for enhanced user experience and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google is dealing with a new Android malware threat named Vajra Spy found in 12 malicious apps. The incident raises questions about Google's efforts to prevent malicious apps in the Play Store. Google tends to act on security reports, but concern persists about strengthening Play protection mechanisms. Users are advised to install apps from genuine stores, limit side loading to known publishers, and keep devices updated. These apps can steal data, record call, and compromise user details, emphasizing the importance of user caution. Users should adopt proactive measures to enhance security and protect against potential threats. Apple plans to acquire German AI startup Brighter AI specializing in anonymizing face and license plate data. Apple aims to enhance privacy features in its mixed reality headset Vision Pro using Brighter AI's technology. The technology helps minimize the risk of capturing identifiable information in public photos and videos. Brighter AI's method maintains subject natural appearance while rendering them unrecognizable for enhanced privacy. Apple officially launched Vision Pro in the US on 2nd February, featuring over 600 apps and games designed for the headset. Brighter AI's advanced AI technology removes data traces without obscuring it, making the acquisition strategically valuable. Google Bard, an AI chatbot, might be rebranded as Google Gemini, aligning with the underlying large language model LLM. Google Bard may receive an evolved UI for reduced distractions, improved legibility, and simplified navigation. A new paid version, Gemini Advanced, is anticipated, featuring voice chat tool and running on the Advanced Ultra 1.0 AI model. A dedicated app for Gemini is in the work with integration into Google's app like Gmail, Map, and YouTube. Users can interact with Gemini through text, voice, or images, enhancing user experience and engagement. The potential launch, dated for 7 February, suggests imminent availability in English in the US with possible expansion to other countries. AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing, ChatSonic, Cloud 2, and Perplexity AI gain popularity for human-like interactions. ChatGPT boasts over 100 million active weekly users and 180.5 million monthly users, emphasizing user engagement. Competitors include Microsoft Bing, offering photo analysis, ChatSonic with integrated Google Search, and Cloud 2 focusing on natural conversations. Perplexity AI merges search engine experience with AI and offer various threads to enhance user interaction. As companies cut costs, exploring and trying these free AI chatbot becomes essential for improved user experience. The rise of AI chatbots signifies evolving user preferences and the need for innovative solutions in the tech industry. Google Maps introduces incognito mode, allowing users to hide their travel history for enhanced privacy. Users can control privacy settings, preventing the app from saving browsing history, personalizing maps, and updating location history. Incognito mode is available in most countries, with Google Map boasting over 100 billion downloads on the Google Play Store. Android users can enable incognito mode by tapping the profile icon and selecting Turn on Incognito mode. The mode addresses concern about sensitive information exposure, providing users with more control over their data. Google Map introduction of incognito mode coincides with the company's layoff of 150 employees as part of cost-cutting measures. Google removes the cached web pages feature, a significant part of its structure, without official announcement. Cached links provided access to old versions of web pages, supporting the survival of older websites. The removal hint at advancement in page loading time, and the need for a more modern tool. The lack of official communication leaves subscribers confused, highlighting a potential communication gap. The move raises concern about Google's approach to ending features without clear communication, impacting user trust. Users await potential replacement tools that offer improved functionality, emphasizing the need for user-friendly communication. WhatsApp is working on an automatic account report feature for channels, providing monthly reports to users. The feature aims to offer peace of mind and convenience by delivering relevant information without user intervention. Users can expect monthly reports containing account and channel activity for improved tracking and insights. WhatsApp is developing a chat log feature for the web client, enhancing security for users managing text on the web. The chat log feature is in early development, and the timeline for full availability on Android and iOS remains uncertain. WhatsApp explores AI chatbots similar to ChatGPT, contributing to trend tracking and comparison through monthly report. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.